So I'm Herb Ottery. I'm one of the owners of Ottery Brothers. We've been in business for, probably 2000, since we went in business with the tank wash and the service business, but our main company is a trucking company. It was a small company that picking up milk at farms, but then we expanded it to more over the road with dairy products as well as other products like soybean oil or chocolate or a lot of juices out of California and Florida. So we expanded the business quite a bit. And by that expansion, it forced us into the tank wash business because we have to get our tanks washed all across the country, and we had a need for it at our location in Camelsport. And we started that, and we found that other people used it. Our main focus is washing food grade tanks, washing the inside of tanks. So if you haul a product, we'll say orange juice, it has to be cleaned properly before you haul something different. But this was a big undertaking for the brothers and I. We were doing something new. Yeah, we knew the tank wash business, but if nobody shows up, if you don't have it in the right spot, if you're not doing the right things, it's all for nothing. We wanted to get close to Madison. We had a couple customers in this area that said, hey, you guys do a decent job up in Armstrong. We've used you in Michigan. What about getting in this area? So we looked around and we found this spot. So with this location, we wanted to have at least 3 bays to do tankers. We got a 4th bay that we use for exteriors. We put numerous tanks in the ground so that the water, as it flows from tank to tank to tank, it gives the ability for the oils to float to the top, the solids to sit to the bottom, and by the time it gets to the city, it's much cleaner. So this here is one of our customers that are in the wash now. You can see the steam coming out of the top, so it's probably 180 to 200 degree wash with soap in it. Further down, we got the pneumatic tanks where we wash flour or different types of dry products. First 6 months weren't all that exciting because it was taking a while to get the volume up there. I'm going to say the last year has been exciting. We've hit and exceeded our sales number that we anticipated when we put this together. We're glad we're here, and it's working way better than we thought it would, and we'll be here for a long time.